Hi, boys and girls. How are you guys today? Okay, we went through last videos with the fractions, addition, multiplication, etc. And we are going to start with percentages and decimals. Those few coming videos, next videos, we're gonna start with percentages and decimals, addition, subtractions, and we're gonna go through percentages, which is one of my favorite subjects. It will go with you all your life. Percentages and decimals, you're gonna use, and fraction actually, in your future with in business, in finance, in high school, in at work. You're gonna use percentages and fractions and decimals often. Believe me, I know because I've been through it. And now, the question for this video is: what is the highest waterfall in the world? Next video, we're going to answer this question. Now, let's go with percentages. Let's start with percentages. Okay. What is percentages? Okay. If I tell you 20, if I tell you 20%, what's that mean? 20%. This is the symbol of percentage. Okay. Slash, you can do it like this, like this. Okay. Slash and point on the right and point on the left. That is the symbol of percentage. Okay. Now, so what does the percentage mean? Okay, I will show you. So 20%, it actually tells you 20%, which is asking you is how much 20 is part of 100. That's it. How much 20 is part of 100. So 20% is how much 20, uh, how much is 20 as part of 100, which is 20. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, here's 20. Okay, 20. Okay, percent, which means 20 times 100 times 100. Okay, and divide by 100. I'll show you. Don't worry. I'll show you. And many samples like I showed you before. Don't worry. I won't leave you hanging. Okay. So 20 times 100 is what? So remember, 20, any number has a fraction as has denominator of 1. So 20 divided by 1, that's fraction, times 100 over 100. That is what 20% mean. That is what 20% mean. Okay, so let's solve this. So 20 divided by 1 is what? Is 20, right? Any number you want to divide by 1 is the number. So 100 divided by 1 is 100. 5,000 divided by 1 is 5,000. 100,000 divided by 1 is 100,000, etc., etc. 1 divided by 1 is 1, right? Okay. Now, 20 divided by 1 is what? 20. And 20. Okay. 20. Now, times. Remember, 20 we multiply it by this over 1 multiplied by this. Remember? Okay. So 20 on the first part, this first part is 20, right? And then we multiply by 100. This 100 is what? 2,000. 2,000. Because you multiply it by 100, so you just add 2 zeros, right? We'll show you that in next videos. This big part of the videos I will explain how to multiply by hundreds and 1,000 and how to divide all of that. We will show you next videos. Now, so this 20 times 100 is 2,000, and then on the bottom is what? 1 times 100 is what? 100. 100. Right? And so 2000 divided by 100 is what? 20. So 20. Okay. So since you divide by 100 and then you have 3 zeros, so you take 2 zeros out from here, 2 zeros out from here. What's left is 20 divided by 1, which is 20. Which is 20. So 20% is what? Equal 20. And that is what we mean by percentages. 20. Okay. So 20% is 20, which is what part of 100 is 20? It's 20, right? Okay. But don't get confused. If we say 20% of 500, that's totally different. It is not 20. So 20% of 1,000 is not 20. 20% of 100 only is 20. But 20% of 50 is different. 20% of 5 is different, etc., etc. We will show you all of that next time. I will see you next video, and we will answer this video's question next time. Okay, that's enough for today, and I will go through more examples next time. Thank you so much.